Hi guys, my name is Shannon. I am the owner of Pink Dust Cosmetics. I just want to make a quick video for you guys about kind of how I do my normal day-to-day makeup when I'm not going out. I'm just running errands. Today I have to go to a meeting really quick and go do a few things. Not important, but I cannot go out in the world looking like this. So one of the things that people say the most about our videos, or any videos, is that who has time for all that? Who's going to do all that every day? Which no one does. So this is kind of just an everyday 5-minute. It actually usually takes me like 2 minutes, but probably like 5 today because I'm talking, of how I do every day, just so you look like a better version of yourself, but you don't have to take an hour doing your makeup. With that being said, so let's start first of all, and this is like all usually really quick. I do it in like 5 seconds, so it's usually even quicker than this. So concealer always, most important thing, concealer and brows. I use light medium for everything on myself. It matches perfect. And then this is the Duo Fiber concealer brush, which I love. If you don't have this brush for concealer, you need to get it because it makes your concealer go on flawless and like buffs it into your skin. And it's quick and easy. You don't have to get, it's not messy. Oh, look white. So I just pour it a tiny bit right on the brush, like that. Dot it under your eyes. I use a little bit too much there, but it's okay. You can never have enough concealer. I just kind of wipe some on my hand if I feel like it's too much. And then just rub it all under your eyes. And kind of pull it down into your cheekbone. I like to put some on my eyelid just to kind of soften it. And then I'm going to go in with my Vanilla Cream Mineral Photo Touch. I almost use this every day no matter what I'm doing. I just like the coverage, and I feel like you can use less for like a softer effect, just kind of cover your skin tone and blemishes, or you can pack it on to get full coverage. It's up to you. And again, I just kind of squirt it on the brush. I'm just using a big foundation brush. I like to use the Duo Fiber Concealer Face Brush when I kind of want more coverage because you can go in smaller areas. This is good if I'm just being quick and easy and light. I'm just rubbing it all over my face. A little bit goes a long way. So I just did one squirt on the brush, and this almost covers my whole face. And all on your nose, I like to bring my foundation down all the way down in my neck because I'm never as tan as my foundation. Like right now I'm really white, but I'm never going to use a lighter foundation on myself because I always want my face to look like it has color. So the whiter I am, the lower I go. Even if that's all the way down to my belly button. And then a little bit on your forehead. I'm just not even using a lot at all. This is kind of, a lot of it is just excess of what was on the brush from before, just because I just wanted to even out my skin tone. I don't want it to be a ton of coverage. Make sure you get it in by your ear. Some people miss that spot, and down here, and then when you go in the sun you can always see it and it looks stupid, so don't miss any. Okay, I usually like a lot of foundation, I'm not gonna lie, no matter what I'm doing. Just feel like a better person. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back again with my concealer. You don't have to do this, this is just me being OCD. And I like to put some, just bring it farther down so it highlights. And on your eyes. Down there. And then, like this again, you don't have to do this, but since I makeup OCD, I always use Nude Mineral Powder Foundation. under my eyes. And then I use cream, which matches me, for the rest of my face. So that's Nude, and then this is cream. And I'm using just the large dome brush, which is like the everything brush. You can use it for powder, bronzer, blush, whatever you want. And all over there. And then I like to take some bronzer, of course, because you have to warm up your face. I'm just going to use the same brush, whatever, and just kind of add some bronzer under your cheekbones so you look like you're not dead. And your face looks more contoured. And kind of touch your nose. See, like, literally that takes me 10 seconds. So anybody that says they don't have time for contouring or bronzer, give me a break. Again, you don't even have to use blush. I just am going to because I like to all the time. But, I mean, even just bronzer is good enough just for a day-to-day kind of thing. This is Honeybell, which is kind of a peachy blush. It just kind of makes you look like fresh. And then, of course, brows. I'm not even like looking in the mirror, so hopefully this looks okay. This is the Precision Brunette brow pencil, which I can't live without. I take it with me everywhere, all the time. And I'm just kind of outlining the bottom of my brow. I'm pulling it out. And then filling in the top. With brows, I feel like anything is better than nothing. So even if you're in a big hurry and you don't have time to do like a perfect brow, so what this brow pencil is good for, because just by filling it in a little bit, it at least gives your brows a little bit of shape and kind of frames your face better than when you have nothing at all. Even if you like have really good brows, which I don't, and you just have to fill in little spots, this pencil is really good for that. Good enough. Some mascara, so I look alive. Curl your lashes. Again, depending on how much time you have, I mean, you don't have to curl your lashes, but it always looks a little bit better when they're fuller. But if you don't have time, then just mascara is always better than nothing. I should call this video the better than nothing makeup. This is just better than nothing. That's how I think about it when I do my makeup like this every morning. At least I look like I'm alive when I go out in the world. I don't scare people. This is Luxury Mascara. Ooh, my lashes are getting long. I started using that Rodan Field stuff for my lashes and it's working. So good. Do the other eye. Sometimes I don't even do bottom mascara just because I'm in a rush and it can get messy when you're rushing, so it takes longer to clean up your mess than do it in the first place. Ooh, long. But I will anyway. Ta-da! And if you want to add a little pop of color, that's easy. Either you can just do just some lip gloss. I like this is Doll Face Liquid Lipstick Matte, or Liquid Lip Stain, sorry. This just gives you like a little bit of pink. Get some color in your face, and this is like fancy for me. I never usually wear anything on my lips except for chapstick when I'm doing nothing, but all better.